In today's video, I'm going to teach you exit a group you no longer need. Group chats are great until they aren't. Maybe the topic's no longer relevant, or your notifications are getting out of hand. Leaving a group is quick, and doing it the right way ensures you stop receiving messages without causing confusion. I'll guide you through the process and share helpful context so you know exactly what to expect. First, open the group chat you want to leave. Head to your messaging app and find the conversation in your chat list. Make sure you're entering the correct group. Check the group name and a few recent messages so you don't accidentally leave one you still need. If you're in multiple groups with similar names, glance at the participant list or the group icon to confirm you're in the right place. Next, look for the three dots menu, sometimes shown as a vertical ellipsis. This icon usually sits in the top right corner of the screen. Depending on your app, it might be labeled More, Options, or Menu, and in some layouts you may see a small gear or a drop-down arrow instead. If you don't see the three dots on the main chat screen, try tapping the group name or header at the top to open the group details. The same menu options, including Leave, often live there as well. Once the menu is open, select Leave. In some apps, this option might be called Exit, Leave Group, or Leave Conversation. After you tap it, expect a confirmation pop-up. This is normal and helps prevent accidental exits. Confirm that you want to leave. When you do, you'll stop receiving new messages and notifications from the group. The conversation may move to an archived section, disappear from your active chats, or stay as a read-only history, depending on the app. Other members may see a brief system note indicating that you left. There's nothing else you need to do. A couple of quick notes so you're not surprised afterward. In many apps, you can still view the old messages but won't be able to send new ones unless you're re-invited. If you're the only admin or organizer, some platforms may prompt you to assign another admin before you can leave. And if you change your mind later, you'll typically need an invite from someone who's still in the group to rejoin. That's it. Open the group chat, tap the three dots to find the options, and choose Leave. Simple, deliberate, and effective. If you found this helpful, use the same approach for any group you no longer need and enjoy a cleaner, quieter chat list.